Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by preparing essentials so you can enroll and learn immediately. First, confirm your device, browser, and a 2 Mbps or faster connection. This prevents playback issues. Next, create a focused learning goal and block 25 to 50-minute study sessions on your calendar so momentum builds. Then set up your account, complete profile fields, and enter any enrollment or payment details. This gives you access to course materials right away. Once done, you're ready to enter the course. You now dive into the course workflow. Follow weekly modules in order because they scaffold skills and concepts. Make sure to complete about 70 to 80% of core activities so assessments reflect your understanding. Use notes, timestamps, and the replay feature for complicated lectures to reinforce memory. Also participate in discussions, submit assignments on time, and give peer feedback. Interaction deepens learning and unlocks instructor guidance. Once you're active, track progress with the platform's dashboard. You reach the final phase by completing assessments, projects, and any proctored checks so you can claim certificates or badges. Export your notes, transcripts, and portfolio artifacts for future reference in job applications because evidence of learning matters. Then review feedback and set a plan to apply new skills within 2 weeks. If you run into access or video playback problems, clear browser cache, try an alternate browser or device, and contact support with screenshots. This almost always resolves the issue quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.